It's time. I have my coffee here at the ready, and I have my copy of my Rocky 10 thumbnail. And then let's insert the DVD and let's install. Okay, DVD it's pinging up, and let's then check it out. So it's already booted to the boot menu. So this is going to be a full video, no editing. You're going to see me just sipping my coffee as we do it. Let's see if there's anything special, and let's see if the procedure actually suffers from the same black out screen that RHEL suffers. Let's see. Let's be patient and let's see what happens. Oh my god, I dusted this yesterday, but still very dusty. Well, I think I dusted it badly. Cool. There we go. It's very warm today, but I need my coffee. A little sip. There we go. So far so good. Let's see if we have the same black gray screen issue when you start the installer. I have a little fan here pointing at me, or else I just melt. So far so good. Nothing, everything looks normal. Look at that. We have the same issue that RHEL 10 has. Okay, so let's restart this. The exact same issue. Okay, so we have to restart and do the exact same fix, which is very interesting. Come on, give me the bar. There we go. So VM power restart, yes. So let's add it. Let's add the nomodeset and Control X. Cool. And then let's wait up for it to boot. So it has exactly the same issue that RHEL 10 has. Well, it's not surprising at all that it has it. So since it's based on RHEL, hopefully it gets fixed on further down the line versions. If this works as well as RHEL, I will just, on my training sessions and my at work and everything else, I will just use Rocky. It's much more comfortable than using RHEL for this type of stuff. So Rocky is much more flexible. I just noticed my t-shirt is completely dirty, but whatever. Okay, I see the mouse pointer. Cool. It works. So English it is. Keyboard layout. Since we have Sandy support, Portuguese. Add English. Remove it. I see that it's red now. It was blue on RHEL 9. On Rocky 9. Europe Lisbon. You can partition this at your liking. Connect the network, it's fine. Server with GUI, it's fine. So let's enable root account. Give it a password. Done and done. Let's create my usual user, student. Okay. Yeah, and let's begin the installation. So yeah, you guys are going to stick with me throughout this. You guys are going to stick with me throughout this. Yeah, bless you. Get the coffee. I'm going to sip my coffee now. But while we wait, I'm going to take the opportunity to do some stuff on my channel. You guys can get a coffee. Let's go back to this. Yeah, get the coffee. I will not cut, no edits here. Really raw video, just for guys to see the full experience from the beginning. And there we go. You're just doing your stuff. I'm going here to my channel, and I'm going to do a quick fix. Because that now that I know this also works for Rocky, I already have a video about the black screen, so I'm going to update this for Rocky 10 too. There we go. I'm going to add Rocky Linux 10 to the title. Going to save. This is going to help lots of people. And it's going to and Rocky Linux 10. Okay, cool. Because I have helped quite a lot of people with this solution, and people will need this in the future. So there we go. Still installing. Pretty sweet. Let me take this chance to ask you guys if you can like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps. I really wish we really need to get to the 100,000 million subscribers if you can. Okay, so like if you're watching this video, like, subscribe, and comment because it really helps. And we'll still wait for it to install. There we go. Installing. Right now we are at 521 subscribers, which is awesome. But let's get to that 1,000 and then to 100K. Okay. So there we go, 1040 packets. It's progressing fine. I suspect that where we're going to take a little bit longer is to install the kernel stuff. It's going to take a little bit longer. Like, subscribe, comment. I have cool videos coming up, more tutorials and other stuff. Like, subscribe to get notified, and comment just to say hi if you wish. I really like to reply the comments. It really makes my day. Here we go. Let's go. The weather is really strange. It's very hot. All night we had lightning and thunders. Sometimes with no rain, which is kind of weird. And it kind of fell down really closely. And the weather it's really humid, really strange. I feel very sticky. Very sticky, sorry. I love this progress bar. It never matches the progress, and it's been like this forever and still is. Configuring kernel core. This is the last part. Then it should be installing interromfs. Smooth. Well, that gray screen thing. Apparently, it's still a thing, which makes sense since this is based on the same architecture and same stuff. But if this works similarly, it's really nice. Because I actually prefer to work with Rocky than I prefer with RHEL, unless I'm on an enterprise situation that's RHEL. But for the most part, for all my instruction videos, my training sessions to my students, it's much better to use Rocky than RHEL. Still going. Here's my coffee. AI content. Everybody looking for AI content. That's dumb. All right. At least he's remote. What you're gonna do, film, what a optimism. Still going? Still going? Reply to some email that I have now a little bit of time. Microcode. How you guys doing? Type in the comments below. What's your favorite video on my channel? There we go, interim FS, like I said. There we go. Let's kick off the reboot system. And let's wait. Okay. Login. Looking good. There we go. We have the desktop. Red Quartz. Nice name. Let's skip this. You don't have the OpenVM tools installed or the right VM tools installed. That's why it's not kind of going big. Well, let's open a terminal just for funsies. You don't have the name installed. So if you want to get this black, this is interesting. So let's go. I think it's display, right? To get the dark theme display. Display. And appearance, not display, appearance. Get the dark thing, the theme going. And we can, well, the wallpaper, we can change it later. And by doing the dark thing, everything gets dark, which is awesome. Okay, let's get through root access. DNF. Do I have NeoFetch install? DNF install NeoFetch. Is it available on the base Rocky Linux 10? No. Okay. And how about OpenVM tools? Any updates? Any search? OpenVM tools. Open. I have that. It has dashes. I know. OpenVM. Yeah. So DNF install Open VM tools. It's already installed. So yeah, it's 12.5. It's not that they are not all that old, but I find that exactly as in RHEL 10, it doesn't actually work all that well with VMware. Maybe a VMware update, maybe OpenVM tools update. Let's give it some time. So let's do a DNF update. This should update everything. Do we have some things? Well, I have some stuff, but yeah, this is going to solve us the thingamajiggies. We don't have the OpenVM tools, or at least this version of VMware. It's not ready for Rocky 10, but it's working fine. We can download NeoFetch just for funsies. So let's go. Let's Firefox. Just for funsies, let's get NeoFetch. Let's go here. Google.com. The OpenVM tools will work sooner or later. It's fine. Let's get NeoFetch. NeoFetch. Download. And we'll get the tar thingy. So let's get the latest. Let's get the tar GZ stuff. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Let's get the new tab going. CD downloads. So tar XVF NeoFetch, CD NeoFetch. There we go. We have Rocky 10, red quartz, blah da da da. Looks pretty decent. It's just annoying that we don't have the OpenVM tools working proper, but that's fine. We can fix it later. Let's get tweaks going. We don't have it installed, extensions. I mean, I don't know if I can install it because it's running here. So basically, I want to add the taskbar. So let's use this the lazy way. And let's open. And we don't have the taskbar extensions, but that's fine. I can do it later. So it's working fine. It's RHEL 10, it's Rocky 10. I love Rocky and installed, and it works great. Don't forget to add the nomodeset and this so you don't get the gray screen. There we go, Rocky 10. I'm going to use this going forward. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.